Many aspirants want to change their general category to SC or ST category. They are thinking that they can be qualified with lower marks. Is this true? Can we change our general category to SC or ST? In this video, we will figure out the eligibility to change our category and consequences after changing. Welcome wanderers and fellow UPSC aspirants to our Wandering in UPSC channel. If you are satisfied with my content, please show your love through likes, shares, comments and subscribe. Let's dive into our content. For our understanding, I am taking a data which is not true, but it helps to understand about how reservations work. Let's say there are 1000 available civil servant seats in UPSC 2026. For general, 400 seats available. For OBC, 250 seats available. For EWS, 100 seats available. For SC, 125 seats available. For ST, 75 seats available. For PWD, 50 seats available. Let's assume that 10 lakh aspirants applied. Out of that, 5 lakh aspirants attended. Assume that UPSC wants to select in an order like for interview, it needs 3000 aspirants. For mains, it needs 15,000 aspirants. Because it just multiplies like it has 1000 seats for interview, it multiplies with 3 equals to 3000 aspirants. Like this, it multiplies those 3000 into 5 equals to 15,000 aspirants. Out of 5 lakh aspirants attended to the UPSC CSE 2026, you can see 2025 prelims. Selected people around 14k to 15k for mains. Now breakdown of each category. General, 400 seats for available. For interview, we need 1200 seats. For mains, we need 6000 people. Also for OBC, 250. For interview, 750 people. For mains, 3750 people. Like this, we need 1000 total seats. In that, 3000 for interview, 15,000 for mains. So what we understood from those breakdown, aspirants only compete in their own category people. Now we come to our original issue. If aspirants from general shifted to ST category, what will be the consequences? First of all, our latest which is 2024 prelims cutoff list for ST approximately 75 marks and general approximately 88 marks. Again, the shifted aspirants from general category to ST category, again they got in between 75 to 88 marks in UPSC CSE 2025 prelims. Here, UPSC wants only 1125 aspirants for mains. The top 1125 people in ST category will be selected to mains. By general aspirants inclusion to ST category, the cutoff increases for ST category aspirants. Not only UPSC, any exam or any admission for colleges happens same like this. So blaming reservation, forgetting that we are getting less marks. Some general, not everyone, even I am 2 general category aspirant, felt that SC or ST are having reservations with less marks. But I realized that most of the SC or ST, even some OBC category aspirants facing many problems daily, which are food security, shelter, proper clothes, and still in some places higher category people avoiding SC or ST people. Here, not everyone suffers in SC ST, but also in general, not everyone having luxury facilities. If we want to live in their reservation, we have to suffer their struggles too. So forget about that changing to SC or ST category will not make us to clear UPSC CSE, and even changing to other category is mostly prohibited in our country for getting reservations. Stay strong, we can achieve wonderful things in life. Never try to think that what if I get his or her status or his or her reservation. Just try how you are and what you are. Success comes with a straight path, not with wrong and shortcut paths. Jai Hind guys. If you liked my content, please share your love through likes, shares, comments and subscribe. Also check out my new book list videos. Thank you all. I will come with new content.